I love you, Porsche 911. I kind of like you, wife, but I really love you, Porsche 911. Welcome back to Auto Amateur, guys, and here's my lovely wife.
Hello.
It's the Ruthie Baker Show.
What up?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur. Ah!
Take three. Take three.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur.
Hi.
With Ruthie Baker.
Howdy.
You guys, honey, do you realize how popular you were in the last video?
Oh, stop.
There were a lot of hashtags, more Ruthie, less James.
Well, that's very nice.
And one of those was from your secret crush, Nick Murray.
Nick Murray.
Yeah, thank you. And then we had hashtags bring back Ruthie.
Aw, that's
And
nice.
so here you are.
Here I am.
And we're off for a bit of a drive. We're going to Stillwater, Minnesota. We've got a number of fellow drivers with us. We've got our walkie-talkies, so we don't need to stand next to each other and hug and spread germs, all that sort of stuff.
Roger with that.
So join us for this ride, and I hope you're staying safe and locked down. We'll catch you in a second after a quick, zoom.
Zoom, zoom. When's the light gonna turn green?
Any second.
You
We
think
ready?
so? Here we go. Oh God. Ah! Jesus, take the wheel.
Give it some. I love you, Porsche 911. I kind of like you, wife, but I really love you, Porsche 911.
James and Papa Smurf sitting in a tree.
Here comes Mario. Listen to that exhaust. Can you hear that?
Yeah, I did hear it.
It's like brrr. So good. So yeah, Ruthie, how'd you like the wrap?
I love it. I think it's great. I really like the color. I'm so glad you went with the blue.
And not the lizard green.
Not the lizard green.
Out of interest, were there any other colors that you would have maybe liked?
I don't know. Like maybe red. Like I think our boys would have really liked like a Lightning McQueen car.
Yes.
Like the 95 sticker decals on the side.
Yep.
Like you could have totally just gone whole hog with that.
Yep.
Although Sally was the blue Porsche in the movie, so.
Yes.
Although your car's called Papa Smurf, right?
It is now, thanks to the guys.
Yeah. So, I don't know. I mean, yeah, I think the red would have been cool. I think yellow would have been neat.
Right.
I like Mario's first wrap of that blue that kind of looks like mermaid blue.
Oh yeah, that was really nice. That was midnight metallic blue, I think.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah, that was really good. But you did get like a little bit of a purple sense from it as well, which I really liked.
Yeah.
Because was it blue, was it purple? You just, you don't know.
It was neat. Yeah,
it was really cool. Well, that's good. So since all of the guys have been joking with me that my car only puts out 200 horses because of the test we did the other day, theirs all checked out fine, mine didn't.
Oh, wow.
I just want you to know that I've ordered a new car.
What?
Totally
That's
joking.
not funny.
I have not ordered a new car.
That's really good.
Well guys, we're gonna go enjoy the rest of the day, just drive for another couple of hours.
Yay.
Thank you, Ruthie, for coming on the show again.
Thank you for having me back. Thank you.
Awesome. All right guys, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.